And even as the fate of Jignesh Shah hangs in balance over the fit and proper report by the Forward Markets Commission, ET now learns that a couple of IT companies have shown interest in acquiring his flagship Financial Technologies. We've got Nisha Podar standing by with the exclusive details. Nisha, this is certainly an interesting one. What exactly are you picking up?
Avan, as the National Spot Exchange scam has put Jignesh Shah in a spot, and he has a lot of legal tangles to really take care of, and him as well as FT being fit and proper to run these exchanges have been questioned. SEBI has also put them under scanner. All this could corner the promoter Jignesh Shah, and Financial Technologies could be looking as a mouth-watering asset at this point for a buyout, and that's where my sources do tell me, the ones with direct knowledge, that Tech Mahindra, the one who has which has been successful in buying out Satyam, another crisis hit company, and has come out with flying colors as far as the entire merger is concerned, is looking at another crisis hit company for an acquisition. In fact, I do gather from my sources that an internal evaluation of Financial Technologies as a company, as a buyout target, is already in the works at Tech Mahindra. In fact, what they are really keen on getting is the trading platform and the software that Financial Technologies has an expertise and capability in. And that Tech Mahindra thinks can be a good and a lucrative business in selling it globally and having a huge market for that outside India. So that's what really Tech Mahindra is looking at. Now remember, after Satyam fiasco happened and after Tech Mahindra had acquired it, the BFSI vertical clearly had weakened because of the entire scam. And this is one area that they are looking at regaining strength in, and this kind of a platform will help them do that. So Tech Mahindra at this moment, and Anand Mahindra with his expertise and the patience that he has shown in integrating Satyam with Tech Mahindra over the years, a crisis hit company, is looking at another opportunity of buying an asset cheap when in crisis and then taking it over and maybe making a big business out of it. So at the moment, very initial stages, it all depends on how Jignesh Shah's fortunes really turn out and how regulators take a view on Jignesh Shah as one of the promoters of FT. But Tech Mahindra is clearly keeping the war chest ready.